Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to Clark's Place. We're going to continue customizing the electric Harley. So I'll show you what I'm going to attempt to do today. We're going to mount a bracket up here that has just a little bolt hole through it. So just a little tab basically. And then I'm going to put this basket, well that basket mounts to that plate, and then with some angle iron brackets I'm gonna attempt to have it mount here and then maybe braced here and then braced back to this post here. So gonna go some time lapse and see how fast I can get this stuff done. I'm thinking we do that, weld to that, take them straight on there, and that's pretty darn good. I think get the posts coming down vertical first, weld them to this in the right spot. Yeah. So Pops eyeball this and I'll put a tape on it and see where they need to go, and I'll put a marker on it.
Yeah, tell me if I'm straight back here or not.
Give me the marker.
Too bad the center stripe wasn't right in the center.
We didn't use any measuring tapes on that part. Sorry. And make sure the post is coming up vertical, Bob. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
And this is centered?
No.
That's what you need a tape measure for, the center.
Oh.
It's back over there. I think it's fairly
I just
even
set you
now.
up for failure. I gave you a marker. That was half the battle.
Where'd I think it's up on your workbench. Oh. On your whatever.
Put it all the way away.
Yeah, I put it all the way away.
Well, that should be right. That should be centered.
But
over
this isn't centered.
Oh, okay.
No, I didn't measure that at all. I just.
So measure this. And we'll find the center of this and put
14.
So 7. So this line,
Kind
the
of
edge
in the
of
middle.
this is kind of mostly in the middle.
That looks pretty square to me.
Okay, that's on there.
Are they both?
And they both look the same height. So
Good.
yeah, I think fine. So put that upside down and let's split the difference between.
There's the center.
Just make sure this width is the same on both ends and it's fine. I'm just gonna weld it.
Yeah, well, it's not centered over the wheel.
I don't care.
Okay.
Does it look pretty
Actually,
centered on the
Yes,
bike?
it looks centered back here.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not. But it's not the same distance.
Well, make it the same distance. That's what the
I
point
thought you
is.
wanted it centered on the right.
No, I want it the structure pretty much even.
That's 1 3/4. Can you see is that 1 3/4? Yeah, looks pretty close.
If you like it, let's put a couple marks of the back edge of each of them where they go. Like it.
Okay.
Good. Now, here, this is right. This is left.
Okay.
In case they fall on the floor and
Now we need to drill holes in these, in the brackets. And
okay,
these,
do that now.
yes.
Put the hole in. Then put a marker where I like this one. See if you can get the marker to mark. Don't drill it into the tire.
No. I'm not going to touch it. I'm only going to get through the outside one, put a mark on the other one, and then put something in between.
I don't think you're going in the middle.
What? Yeah, it's this wide. I'm in the center of this one.
I think you're.
I have
going.
no idea what he's doing, but I don't like it.
Okay. No, I still haven't gone all the way through. Oh, there's a hole already in it.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's
cool.
what we were trying to line up.
I knew you weren't.
No, it's pretty much right on the. That.
Doesn't line up.
Yes, it does.
Okay, good.
It lines up perfect. Be able to put a bolt right through that. Oops. You see it?
Yeah, I see some scratches.
I did upper and lower.
Alright, so. Put me a hole in that. Test that again, see if you like.
Yep, on the outside of each of them.
Yep.
Put your
Good.
bolts in.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Well, it's super hot, so
Not
Yeah,
down
bottom
here.
part's fine.
Okay. Down. There you go. I don't actually need a washer on them right now.
Here's the other one.
Right there.
Put that in.
are these my quarter 20s?
They're not listed that way. They're 30 mil. They're millimeter and all that. There's no quarter 20.
There's not. That's not the one. These aren't the ones. Let me
Just
get
put
the
it in.
right- I don't like these. I don't want to have to get out a metric wrench to put these on.
Well, I didn't. There wasn't any other in there that I saw. Just this one. There's nothing in the second drawer down. Well, see there? I started second and went on down. No. Heck no.
Now if you're gonna put another.
You got another bar to go on there.
No,
the
not
bar
necessarily. Because I'm gonna weld the bar to that. We're just gonna have one bolt. Yeah, that's fine. That's great. Lock
You're
washer
gonna weld
bolt.
it up here.
Yeah, it can come. It can just weld into this bracket, and then we need to do something here.
No, that won't work.
What?
Because there you got everything pivoting. Then the thing will just do this.
It won't, because it's gonna be bolted here, one bolt here, and two bolts
But
there.
the weight, then all the weight's there. Then you don't even need one on the back. Because this is to keep it from coming down. And if it's on this, then the whole weight is pulling down on this point.
I think you may have that same issue even if you put it here. It's still gonna just pivot on that.
No, but this,
It's got to be a separate mounting point.
yeah, it's probably right too. It'll
It's so strong. If we just put something to tie this here, it's never gonna go anywhere.
Okay.
Then really
Then you don't need anything on the back.
You
I'm
don't
not
need
gonna
any-
put anything.
you don't need a
All
piece
right.
from there back up
That's
here.
what I'm thinking.
Okay.
I'm thinking just, let me get you a lock nut and a washer.
I can't get that one off. So you gonna do this tab still?
I think just a one piece. I think this single off of there. Weld that in line there, put a hole in it.
I don't know. I think I would trust it more on both sides. Get a little bit of protection on here. Always use in well-ventilated locations. Which I think that
constitutes
that works.
well-ventilated.
Since I'm not even smelling the paint. And that poor little finger.
Don't run it.
Oh yeah.
One run collection.
That's true.
I think you got covered over there. You get the backside of that? Looking
Alright.
good, my friend. Oh, you already got this guy here.
Yeah,
huh?
but he needs to flip over, I think.
I'll hit that again. That's the toughest piece. I don't want all the people at the shows to be knocking my paint job.
We're gonna leave this chrome.
Yeah, let's tape off this and just spray that
Yeah.
real quick. We'll call it. Alright, so got all this on there, and it is too flexy. So I'm gonna put some sort of brace going up there, tie it all together. We won't have a diving board effect off the back of it. Here's the intent. We'll see. Alright, so here it is done. Got my little basket project done. I just put a nylon nut on the back side of that, and that should be plenty good. If it starts to vibrate a bunch, which I'll test here in a minute, I may put another bolt in it. Maybe up here at the front or something like that. Yeah. Gotta clean it up, put some Clark's Place stickers on it, and should be good. Alright everybody, that's it for Clark's Place today. Headed to Scooterville. I may put some pegs up here. I'm not sure what I'll do. Still got a few little things to do, but that's it, I think, for customization series on the electric Harley. So see you next time. Thank you.